Starbucks, breakfast in hand, long lines of people, oh, it's so grand. Step by step, we're almost there. Sound of engines fills the air. What a spectacular day, what a sight to see. From skydivers high to the blue angels flying free. Every heart's racing, cheers fill the bay. We'll remember forever this spectacular day. Skydivers dancing in the sky. Osprey maneuvers make the crowd sigh. What a spectacular day, what a sight to see. From skydivers high to the blue angels flying free. Every heart's racing, cheers fill the bay. We'll remember forever this spectacular day. Strong and proud, F-22, Raptor or Solab. Then the grand finale, blue angels appear. Precision and skill draw the loudest cheer. Flying in perfect harmony too. A dream in the sky, so fast they flew. Free. When it's all over, we walk away, but we'll be back again for another day. Kaneohe Bay Air Show stole our hearts today.